Hey guys, it's LarJ here, and I am going to make an in-depth video about the art of crocheting. So, first things first, how do we hold this hook and how do we hold this yarn? Well, I hold it like a pencil, basically like this. I keep the hook downwards. This is not going to work, this is not going to work. Make sure the hook is downwards, not too much like this, but the point is pointing towards you. For the yarn, I like to hold it like this, where the tail end of the yarn is underneath my middle ring and pinky fingers. And to do that, I go like this, and then I hold it like that. That gives me good tension, and it makes everything easy to work through. Because I don't have to worry about missing stitches or crocheting too tightly or too loosely. Everything works out perfectly because I have full control over the yarn. So now to start, we start with the slip knot. You insert the hook underneath the yarn, you twist like so, so it makes an E, and then you insert to the left side, go underneath the yarn, and then you pull through like this, and then you pull tight, and that's a slip knot. If you make a slip knot and you're not able to do this with the yarn freely, then you didn't do it correctly. So again, from the right side you go under towards the left, and then you turn around like this, go underneath from the left side, yarn over, pull through the loop, holding tight to this part of the yarn. Boom. That's it. Now with your finger, if you wanted to make a slip knot, 2 fingers underneath here, twist it. So now you're definitely able to see that it's an E. Put your 2 fingers through, pull through, and that is the slip knot. And that's how we start. Now, to make a chain, you take your hook, insert, make sure that the yarn is not too tight, not too loose. This is a 6.5mm hook, so you want to make sure that the loop is large enough because this is bulky weight yarn. So to make a chain, you yarn over, and to yarn over I go from left to right, and then you pull through. And when I'm pulling through, I always hold the tail end of the yarn, and just to make sure it's secure, and I pull through. So you go like this, and that makes a chain. This is how it looks regular speed. And you can see that I'm holding the working yarn underneath my fingers to keep it secure. And in slow motion, it's like this. I'm using all of my fingers to do this. And that is the basic stitch. It's a chain stitch, and it looks like this. There's a lot more to learn. I have quite a few other videos that go through single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and I plan to post more videos in the future just in case anyone needs to learn anything else. But that's it for now. Bye!